Good morning, students. It's 21st May 2020, 8th class English lecture. In this lecture, we will do our diary entry second. That is, by the grace of God or mere good luck, you could accomplish one after the other many things today. Exultant over your series of victories, you decide to make a diary entry. Hints are also given in your book. Now, firstly, you will write place, date, day, time, dear diary. First sentence should be exclamatory, that it was a pleasant day for me today. Many things, one after the other, were completed properly. I got success in every moment. It was looking that time was favorable for me for completing each and every task. I was waiting for the school bus in the morning. Then my uncle dropped me to school in his car. Handwriting competition result was announced in the first period and I got the top position in it. Our team won the volleyball match that was held between our school and St. Angel's School in the second period. It was announced in the sixth period that our entire class along with our class teacher would go on picnic to our choicest place the following day. In the evening, my grandmother came unexpectedly with sweets and gifts for me. I thank God and my elders for the happiness and pleasant surprises they gave me today. In the last, you will write your name that is not given, so we will write ABC. This diary entry is in your grammar book. You can write question from them from book. Diary entry third. Day by day, the value of Indian rupee is decreasing, that of the dollar is increasing. The reason being that we the Indians buy foreign products in bulk. Bulk means plenty, bahutayat matra mein, and ignore the Indian ones. When you received the Prime Minister's message calling all Indians to buy Indian products and ignore the foreign ones, you were surprised at the ever growing madness for foreign products. Write your feelings in the form of a diary entry. First, you will write place, date, day, time, dear diary. It is a very shocking news for us that the value of the Indian rupee is decreasing day by day, that of the dollar is increasing. We ourselves are responsible for it. We buy foreign products in plenty and ignore Indian products. It seems that our Prime Minister has felt the real pulse of the nation. He gave a message to all Indians to buy only India made products to improve the condition of our economy. I am surprised to see that most Indians prefer foreign brands. Thus, the time has arrived to restart the Swadeshi and boycott movements to protect India from these companies which are trying to weaken India's economy. We can read the list of Swadeshi and foreign products and start purchasing Swadeshi products instead of foreign goods to protest against these companies and to make India economically stronger. It means that our currency is decreasing, for we do not buy our country's product. We should buy our country's product so that our economy will improve. Okay students, these are our diary entries. You have to write these diary entries in your English grammar fair notebook. and learn them also. Thank you so much, students.